clubs participating in this gala. The ages range from 4 years to 11 years. We have our next junior gala taking place in the month of May. The events which we are preparing for is the senior swimmers who are going for the Olympics. And they have been chosen from the most number of FINA points they have collected at the event in Qatar, Doha. We're trying to get in more sponsors to support our events because it's a bit costly for a few swimmers to get it. So we're looking for sponsors. We're trying our best to help the swimmers as an association, the Mombasa County Swimming Association, by giving swimmers the privilege and the chances to come by paying for the events and also by training them and holding camps.
Tukiume kaunti-ini ya Mombasa na tugioke guku kuria mutwari